Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add images and media in Obsidian. Adding images and media in Obsidian can transform your notes from plain text into interactive, visually engaging resources. Whether it's diagrams, screenshots, audio, or videos, embedding media helps your notes convey more information and stay organized. Start by opening Obsidian and selecting the note where you want to add media. If your file is already on your computer, the easiest way to include it is by dragging and dropping it directly into the note. When you do this, Obsidian automatically saves the file in your vault, usually inside an Attachments folder, and generates a link so the media appears in line within your note. You'll see the image, audio, or video displayed right where you dropped it, ready for viewing or playback. If you're copying an image from another app or the web, you can simply paste it into your note. Obsidian will ask if you want to save it in your vault, and once you confirm, the media will be embedded just like a dragged file. This works for screenshots, audio recordings, and video clips alike, giving you flexibility no matter where your media comes from. For media that's already stored in your vault, you can embed it using Markdown syntax. Just remember that online files won't work offline unless you save them into your vault. Organizing your media is also important. Consider keeping images, audio, and video in dedicated folders like /images or /media, and use descriptive file names. This helps you find, link, and manage your media easily across all your notes. Once everything is in place, your Obsidian Vault isn't just a collection of text anymore. It becomes a rich, interactive workspace that's ready for studying, creating, or reference. By dragging files, pasting content, or embedding via Markdown or HTML, you can make your notes dynamic, organized, and visually engaging. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.